it's Candace, and in today's QuickBooks tips and tricks, I want to go back to some of the basics with you. So recently I was working with some entrepreneurs, and what I found is a lot of times people get confused about how to code, where to put things. So when you're writing checks, when you're making deposits, when you're transferring money around, it's like, where do I put that? How do I do it? And the reality is, I think you're overthinking it. So when you write a check and you're inside QuickBooks, or you're in the check register and you're coding that particular transaction to an expense account, an income account, don't overcomplicate it. Just think about, what is that for? How did I use it? If I transferred money from this to that, just think about, okay, I took the money from here and I put it here. I'll write a check, I'll do a transfer. So basically my tip today is, don't overcomplicate things. Yeah, there's going to be questions about like, how do I code that or where do I put it? I get that. But just take the time to break it down into simple steps. Okay, where did the money come from? Where did the money go? So when people ask me questions, that's actually what I do. I take the time to think about, okay, what did you do? And then how do I put that into QuickBooks? And basically, you know, if it's fuel, it's pretty easy. If it gets a little bit more complicated, a lot of times people overcomplicate it. So if it's a utility, don't worry about electric versus water and all that kind of stuff. Just put it to utilities. Unless you need the detail to manage and grow your business, which most people do not. So keep it super simple when you're creating your chart of accounts. I've done lots of other videos on it. Feel free to go to my YouTube channel and check out how to create, you know, accounts and all that kind of stuff in the chart of accounts. But really focus on keeping your QuickBooks simple and just thinking about what you have done. Where did it come from and where did it go to? And then just write the check directly that way. If it's depositing money, make sure it's where you're depositing to is correct into that account. And then the from account would be wherever it came from, if that's how you're inputting your income. So if you have more questions, feel free to contact me. And I love creating videos for you guys. So make sure that if you have a question that you want answered, even if it's about this topic, send me an email or comment below this video. Because one of the ways I get inspiration for the videos I do for you guys is through the questions that I get from you guys. So please, 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 there's never a stupid question. And I love creating videos for you. So send me your questions and I will talk to you guys again next week. Bye.